Okay, this is the Learning the Avidyne Atlas video series. This is a scenario-based training that is designed to step you through the process of operating the Avidyne Atlas FMS using real-world and practical situations. As we go through this training, you'll see that there are multiple ways to accomplish some of the tasks, and I'll typically show you at least one of those as we go. We encourage you to always defer to the pilot's guide for the latest software or for the software that matches your particular version. Here's a list of all the different video lessons on learning the Atlas. Atlas Basics will get you this product description we're going to do today. And then we go into the basics on knobs and buttons, functionality, and move through the optional VHF comm nav, and then how to enter flight plans and approaches and holds and all that all the way through, as well as setup pages and those sort of things. So first up, we're talking about the product description and overview of the Atlas. What is Atlas? First of all, Avidyne has developed two different versions of the Atlas. One is an FMS GPS with VHF Navcom integrated all into one box. And then we also have an FMS GPS only version where if you're keeping your existing radios, you only want to replace the FMS. So as you can see from the chart here, there's a lot of cool features, including integrated 3D synthetic vision, integrated Jeppesen approach charts and airport diagrams, an optional wireless connectivity, also options for radar and video inputs. So it's very versatile flight management system designed to fit into a standard Zeus width UNS form factor FMS in the pedestal. The Atlas features full R and P RNAV capability, including this will be a way to get you LPV approaches, full WAS capability. The hybrid touch shows touch screens and knobs and buttons. So pretty much anything you can do on the touch, you can do with the knobs and buttons and vice versa, which is really nice. The keyboard, instead of being alpha keyboard ABC, it's a QWERTY style keyboard, which for all of us who are using computers every day and certainly with smartphones nowadays, the QWERTY style is very familiar and much easier to find your way around. Geofill algorithm I mentioned is designed to more quickly predict the waypoint as you're starting to enter it. And the way it works is it's context sensitive. So as you enter a waypoint, if it's direct to, it'll be in proximity to your aircraft position. If it's in the middle of a flight plan, it's based on proximity to the previous fix. Our moving map display got a full terrain database, so you have a color contoured terrain base map with full overlay of your Jeppesen nav data, off-route waypoints, nav aids, intersections, fully customizable data blocks. It's very versatile. We've got the 3D synthetic vision. As you see here, we can show 3D version of your traffic right out on the screen here in standard TCAS symbology that you're very familiar with, as well as terrain alerting. Geo-referenced approach charts and airport diagrams. All your nav data and your charts are easily updatable on an industry standard, just a normal USB drive, so you don't need a customized data card or data loader to update your nav data and charts. If you happen to have an Avidyne digital radar, we can support that right on the screen as either the primary or as a supplemental radar display. And we have an RS-170 video input. It also provides full fuel management capability when interfaced to an external fuel flow. We'll show range rings for 45-minute reserves, etc. You can enter in either in gallons or in pounds, so it makes it easy depending on the environment you're in. Your Atlas is designed to support Flight Operations Quality Assurance Program. If you have one of those, Atlas has a built-in flight data recorder that'll record a lot of the parameters for you and send them out on a Wi-Fi to a third-party capture device like the AirSync unit, which then you can transfer right to your phone, and 5 minutes after your flight you can do a full evaluation right on your phone. So that kind of sums up the product overview for Atlas. Next up, we'll talk about knobs and button functions.
If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to pilotsupport@avidyne.com. Have a great day and fly safe, everyone.